This is the doctor's data plasma methylation panel. We're going to go through this collection kit. First thing we're going to look at is the test requisition form. I have highlighted in green the areas that you need to fill out. You're going to fill out the date the sample was collected and all of this patient information. The rest of the information has been filled out by our office. You're going to need to make sure that you bring this to the labs with your test kit. Also, before you go to the lab, you're going to want to read these instructions. There are a few things that you need to avoid for 48 hours prior to going to the lab for collection, so make sure that you read that. Your kit contains all of these items. You're going to want to take the gel freezer pack and make sure you put it in the freezer before you go to the lab. So when you go to the lab, you're going to take this out of your freezer, put it back in here, put all of this in the container. You're going to take it with you to the lab. You're going to go to any lab test now, which is on the information sheet that I gave you when you picked up your test kit. Thank you.